Hi, I'm Carrie Fletcher. I'm just going to walk you through how to get your students into the diagnostic section of IXL. One thing that's really important, have them start by logging in, because IXL likes to kick kids out about 5 or 10 questions in. They'll come and bring it to you and say, it's not letting me do anymore. So have them make sure that they are logged in with their username and password right away so that they don't all come to you and say, it logged me out. Okay, so there are 3 words in the green bar up here, learning diagnostic analytics. When we first started, I would tell the students, go to the D word. So have them click that, and they're just going to click step into the arena. And it's going to take them right where they go. Now, my students get a choice, and it may be because they've already done this. I don't know if a first timer will get a choice. Let me let you know that it does reading and math at the same time. So there's not a separate one. It does both at the same time. So your student will choose, and it'll walk them through it. And at the end, it'll give them something that says like, congratulations, you did it. And it'll have all these recommendations for them underneath. Okay. Oh, and another thing is that it works a lot like STAR in that if they get them correct, it gives them harder and harder questions. So I've noticed some of my kids getting multiplication, and they'll come and ask, oh, what is this? And so that just means that they're doing a good job, I guess, because it's asking them these things. Okay, so that's the student view. As a teacher, you'll be able to see these. So you'll be able to log in, choose diagnostic, and you can even choose your student. And you'll be able to see what they suggest for math, what they suggest for language. And they do have this print diagnostic action plan. I tried to make it work just a few minutes ago, and I couldn't make it work. Hopefully I'll do another video where we go over that. But that's at least how to get you in and how to get your students working on that. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much.